A woman who reported her ex-partner to police for committing grievous bodily harm against her is having to wait 9 years for a trial, with a key witness dying and investigating officers retiring before it reached court. Becky Sheeran, a 37-year-old lady from Nottingham, is among thousands experiencing unacceptable delays in the court system, leaving her waiting almost a decade before facing her alleged attacker in court. Ms. Sheeran first contacted police with allegations against her ex-partner in 2019. Following an investigation, restaurateur David Perkins, a 46-year-old man, was charged with inflicting grievous bodily harm against her at a 5-star hotel in London. But far from provide a measure of relief for Ms. Sheeran, she told the Daily Mail how delay after delay in the justice system has had a devastating impact on her and her family. She has faced such a long hold-up for justice that her mother, a crucial witness in the case, has died while awaiting the trial. Candidly speaking about how it has impacted her mental health, Ms. Sheeran said she has considered giving up on the case and fears the length of time crime victims currently face in limbo means they will no longer report crimes or may even take their own lives. The business owner had already faced a 6-year wait for a court date when the trial was initially scheduled for September 2025. She was then informed last year that the date had been pushed back by 3 months to December 2025. But when Ms. Sheeran, her family and the police officer in charge of her case arrived in Birmingham last month, it failed to make it to a courtroom. The case has now been pushed back again by more than 2 years and is next due to go to court in 2028. The 9-year wait for a trial has meant that a key witness in the case, Ms. Sheeran's mother Gil, has sadly passed away before her evidence could be used in a court of law. The initial delay from September 2025 saw Ms. Sheeran's case was allocated as a float trial in December, meaning it should have been heard as soon as a gap in a courtroom schedule appeared, but had not been pre-allocated an allotted time and judge. Ms. Sheeran said she was told it was guaranteed that the case would be called. The CPS and the courts knew the trial had already been delayed, she said. They promised us that we would be at trial, because it had already been so many years. And then we just didn't get allocated a courtroom.